Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to log out of Monopoly Go. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to Monopoly Go and log in using your user credentials. Now, after you logged into your Monopoly Go, you'll have to simply click on the three-dotted or three-lined icon at the top right side of the screen. And you will see this menu appearing at the right side of the screen. Now, click on the settings icon from these and it is going to show you this pop-up where you'll have to click on Manage Account button. When you click on Manage Account, you're going to see Disconnect option just under the Manage Account text where you'll have to simply click on Disconnect and click on Disconnect again. Now, simply click on Disconnect here also and disconnect your Monopoly Go from Play Store. After disconnecting from both of these, you would have successfully logged out of Monopoly Go. Now, if this way doesn't work, what you can simply do is go back to your home page on your mobile phone, search for Monopoly Go and on the Monopoly Go icon, hold it down, then click on this small eye icon that is app information section. So, if you're using another phone, simply navigate to settings, go to apps, then search for Monopoly Go. Basically navigate to the application info section of Monopoly Go and on this page, scroll down and navigate to storage. After you navigate to storage, you'll have to simply click on this clear data button. Now, when you click on this button, as you can see, all of the application's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts and database. So click on delete button just right here and it will instantly log you out of Monopoly Go. When you will start the application again, it will start freshly. So that is the simple way to log out of Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.